Hey, different approach to this video because I had a rough day, so I'm gonna pretend I'm on FaceTime with Mads. You guys remember her? I miss her so much. She's coming in less than a month. She's actually giving me inspo to vlog right now because I didn't want to. So let's get right into it. Tyler came by and dropped off my headers, some hoses and gaskets. I also got my grommet for the PCV valve that I was telling you guys about last time. So we're gonna install all of this. So here we are at STYLEUPAUTO. I'm here by myself. Echo! Anyways, let's pop my hood up. Didn't have to work for me. All right. My header's in the way, that's so funny. You guys don't even want to know how long it just took me to get this fucking angle. Can you see? All right, let's get the gasket in. Ow. I'm always hurting myself, I swear. Yes.
Ooh, you get it, I guess.
I hate Funk Master Flex, bro. Anyone else ever listen to him and just want to tell him to shut the f up? You know, I could make this easier and get another extender. But why would I ever want to make things easier in my life? Be for real. It's tight for now. Let's grab the other ones.
Dougie, hype me up.
I'm missing one. There it is. Oh, damn it, man. Uh-oh. We have a Houston, we have a problem. Well, I got it. I'm gonna get these bolts tight and then we'll be right back. I'm sorry, I'm getting annoyed and I'm getting 14 minutes of content just doing this. So, BRB. I got the headers on. Tyler actually forgot to give me my exhaust gasket and the screws, so it's kind of just hanging here. So we'll connect that soon. Time for the grommet. Alright, so we're not going to install the grommet today because they sent me the wrong size. Of course, it's always something, like I keep saying. So we will be back. Little car update. It looks amazing. I put back on my door panel on this side, still off on that side. Interior looks pretty clean. Side skirt's off for now, but it'll be put back on. And then, yeah. Let's install this bad boy. So here's the correct grommet. And they also gave us a new PCV valve. So that's the old, it's the new. Now it should go right in. Aha! There we go. It fits. Give it a little. Whatever. Whatever. So we got our handy dandy mallet. Just gonna lightly tap this in. Take two. Alright. God damn it.
I need somebody help, not just that.
Part 3. Just gonna
Genius.
take that off real quick. Leave that. And we're back. So I cut a little piece. We'll see if it fits. Looks like I just need to cut a little more. Ugh, we'll be back. Angle's so weird. Ugh, there we go. Alright, now I have to get the clamps. Alright, so I can't get the perfect angle for this to show you guys, but we're gonna be putting in my gasket with the screws. This is the wrong size again. So again, the gasket was wrong, so I gotta go get a new one. After the wrap reveal, the car is going back down south to Tyler's so they can fix up a few nicks and crannies and get it ready so we can leave in less than 2 weeks for Florida. How exciting. And Mads is gonna be here soon. I miss my best friend. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
So it's midnight, Tyler's here, and the car's done.
Like damn, she in her move. Like damn, she in her move. Like damn, she in her move. Like damn, she in her move.